Okay, I've got a popular recipe for you guys here from Hawaii. This is Hoio fiddlehead fern salad. I'm down here in the bottom corner of our orchard where it's always shady. And whenever you've got conditions like that, a spot where it's always shady, the breeze comes through and just a gentle murmur, you're going to have ferns growing. When it comes to harvesting the ferns, you want to get the young, unfurling fronds that are still in the fiddlehead stage of development. Once they get bigger than that, they're kind of woody and not very good for eating. To prepare the ferns, first put them in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then immediately into an ice bath. This is called blanching, and it's a technique that helps shock color and bite into green vegetables. So these types of fern salads, they're popular all around the Pacific and Asia. You know, traditionally in Hawaii, you'd probably eat these raw with maybe just a little bit of dried shrimp. So to adorn my salad, I've got my ferns here that have been blanched and chopped up. I'm going to use some dried opai or dried shrimp for those of you not here in Hawaii. We've got some fresh ogo seaweed, some halved cherry tomatoes, and then I'm going to take just a few scallions, slice those up, toss that all through. And that's going to be it for the base of our salad, and then we'll mix up our dressing. So now I've got my sliced scallions, and I'm just going to take all my ingredients and toss them through in the big bowl with the ferns. This salad is a great accompaniment, of course, to poi. Goes great with a fish like poke you could eat this with. You could eat it with chicken. Really, any main protein, it's a very nice side salad with. And finally, I'm going to mix up our sauce. So what I'm going to go in with is some shoyu soy sauce with a dash of rice wine vinegar, because I don't need a lot. A little bit of sesame oil, touch of fish sauce, and some nice fresh ginger. That's going to give a really floral, lovely lift to the whole thing. And then once you got that stirred through, simply pour it over your salad and give it one more mix through. And then you're going to take these, put it in the fridge to chill, and serve it once it's nice and cool.